A new chapter in the global technology competition has begun with the launch of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro in China. This device is deemed to have the potential to rival the supremacy of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15, and has generated significant waves of response across the world. Sharp focus is directed toward the sophistication of the specifications of these two phones, with the iPhone 15 Pro receiving special praise for its 3nm chip and its ability to run console games. However, beyond technological prowess, there is a developing geopolitical drama. Nationalistic sentiments in the United States have influenced the perspectives of some consumers, leading them to lean away from foreign-made products. Additionally, Chinese authorities are pushing for the adoption of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, while the United States responds with investigations into potential regulatory violations by the device. Before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on other interesting videos. However, this story is not just about two phones, but about two global powers competing on the stage of global technology. When a legend like Jackie Chan chooses the Huawei Mate 60 Pro as his primary device in China, it might not be surprising, considering Jackie Chan is known as a supporter of Huawei products. What makes the Huawei Mate 60 Pro so special that someone like Jackie Chan would choose it as a daily driver? Besides its popularity, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro has become a topic of discussion on various internet platforms due to its stunning features and specifications, claimed to be competitive with the iPhone 15 series. Here are some interesting facts about this smartphone that might explain why the Huawei Mate 60 Pro deserves special attention in the global smartphone industry. First fact, impressive Kirin 9000's chipset. One of the most striking aspects of this device is the presence of the Kirin 9000's chipset. After facing serious restrictions in the United States, Huawei seems to have found a solution with the Kirin 9000s. While there are no official trial details yet, this chipset exhibits performance on par with other premium 5G smartphones in the market. This is a significant step for Huawei, which previously relied on Taiwan's TSMC for chipset production. Second fact, super advanced camera with incredible zoom capability. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro features a 50MP main camera with up to 100x zoom capability, along with various other lenses, including a 48MP telephoto and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This provides users with a lot of flexibility in photography. However, the high zoom capability also raises concerns about privacy and security in the United States. Third fact, innovative 3-punch hole display. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro introduces a 3-punch hole feature on its screen, allowing for various creative possibilities in smartphone use. This is an innovative step that sets Huawei apart from its competitors in the global market. Fourth fact, satellite calling feature. This device offers a satellite calling feature, ensuring that users stay connected even in the most remote locations. This is another innovative step that showcases Huawei's ambition to be a leader in global communication technology. Fifth fact, extraordinary RAM and storage variants. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro comes with large RAM variants of up to 12GB and an extraordinary internal storage of up to 1TB. Despite not having access to Google services, Huawei has launched its latest operating system, HarmonyOS, and the Huawei App Gallery as an alternative to the Play Store. With a relatively more affordable price compared to the iPhone 15 Pro, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro offers better value to consumers. Its advantages cannot be ignored, and Huawei's plans to launch it in the global market have captured the attention of the United States. However, in the end, the choice between Huawei and Apple remains a personal one. We would like to hear your opinion. Are you Team Huawei or Team Apple? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you stay updated on other exciting technological developments.